You are never going to make it. That's what they told me. You see, I wasn't always successful, but right now, I'm on my way to the bank, baby. I'm depositing $15,000 in cash and a whole lot of money in that Louis Vuitton duffel bag. And yes, I'm driving my Mercedes. No, this is not no rented car. You see, before all of this, I had to break up with my boyfriend and move back into my parents' house. Now, that is pretty embarrassing to admit, but something drastic changed, and I want to show you exactly how I did it. All I did was take action and click the learn more button below. Now, these mind hacks that reprogram your mind are very, very serious. Do not take this lightly. If everyone would just follow what I say, you too could live life on your own terms, how you want it and when you want it. All you have to do is reprogram your mind with these essential tools that are given in this video. Click learn more and get started now.